Hello everyone, a very short lesson today. Vidushi ma'am, what's the difference between the small g and the capital G? We get really confused in our physics numericals. A question which I'm asked by so many of my students. So I thought why not let's make a video on this and help you all. So come, let's see. So first of all students, what is acceleration? You can see my other videos but I'll quickly repeat it for you. Acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration, what exactly does it mean? Acceleration means change in velocity over time taken. Now change in velocity is what? V minus u. V stands for my final velocity, u stands for my initial velocity. So if you can see change in velocity over time taken, that means delta v by delta t or v minus u by t. I just write it for you. V is my final velocity. I know I'm writing very small, but if you have any doubts, you can always message me in the comments or email me. U is my initial velocity and t is my time taken. Now, lot of times you get confused what units will acceleration be. So let me show you for once and for all this also. Now, as you know, velocity is always in meter per second, right? And my time is also in second. So this second comes down. So we can derive the units now only. The units are meter per second square. Of course, velocity can be in kilometers per hour also, but generally our acceleration is in meter per second square. One more simple tip students I had to share with you. Whenever any body starts from rest, its initial velocity is 0. Whenever anybody comes to rest, final velocity is 0. And suppose if the body is moving uniformly at a very constant speed, then the acceleration is 0. So these 3 points will help you in solving your questions for equation of motion. Now let's get back to what is g. The small g is my acceleration due to gravity. What exactly is it? Suppose you throw a ball from a very tall building or anywhere at all. It will get attracted to the center of the earth. Now the force with which it is getting attracted to the center of the earth gives rise to acceleration due to gravity. Okay, and the value is fixed. So the value is 9.8 meter per second square. But if you have at the center of the earth, acceleration due to gravity is 0. There is no gravity at the center of the earth. And what is my capital G? It is my gravitational constant. So this is generally used whenever you find, whenever you have two bodies and they are attracted by a force of gravitation, we use gravitational constant there. So if you want me to solve some questions regarding this, let me know. As for now, bye-bye. I'll see you in the next lesson.